The pin-jointed assembly supports a 3-meter high and 4-meter wide billboard on each end. So meron daw billboard na ang dimension is 4x3, supported at point B and at point E. The total weight of the billboard is 30 kilonewton. So meron daw siyang kinikerring bigat or yung self-weight ni billboard 30 kilonewton. So alalahanin natin kapag self-weight, taga-akyat downward vertically. Okay? And at the center of gravity. So since yung billboard natin is rectangle, so yung center of gravity niya is at the midpoint. Right? So meron daw dynamic wind pressure Q equals 1.7 kilopascal. So ano tong wind pressure na to? So pressure. Yan, same yan sa stress. Kaya siya kilopascal yung unit. So we have the force over the area. Okay, pag pressure, usapang wind, gas, liquid, then stress, yan, usapang solid. Okay, so ano yan? Same analysis yan sa beam. Ito, yung hangin daw, yung wind na distribute throughout the surface area itong billboard. So we have this Q. Yan, same analysis sa beam, yung distributed load. Say meron akong beam. Yan, meron tayong distributed load. Di ba ang unit niyan is force, say kilonewton over the length. Okay? Yan, yung length. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong 1 kilonewton distribute throughout the length. So, gawin lang nating area, additional dimension. Ayan, so area na, kaya naging meter squared. Okay? So, na-distribute dito sa surface area yung Q na 1.7 kilonewton. 1.7 kilonewton over square meter. Ayan, kilo pascal. Ang hinahanap natin is number 1, determine the horizontal reaction at A. So, alamin daw natin reaction dito kay A, horizontal. Ayan. So, kapag naghahanap tayo ng force, nag-assume lang muna tayo kung anong direction or tension or compression. So, hinahanap is our AX. Ayan. So, tandaan nyo, kapag meron tayong kinocompute na reaction or may support tayo dito, so may support, may reaction, kapag single member lang, isang member lang yung connected, so kung ano yung force dito sa single member na to, equal yon sa reaction. Anong ibig kong sabihin ulit? Si RA is equal yan sa force AB. Okay? So, tandaan nyo, yan, kapag isa lang yung member connected sa support, yung reaction equals yan sa force AB. Statics. Yan. So, alamin daw natin the reaction RAX in terms of kilonewton. So, ibig sabihin, reactive force. Kailangan natin na unit is kilonewton. So, ma-solve natin si RAX. Paano? So, paano ba tayo nag-analyze niyan? Para mas madali, let us draw the free body diagram. Okay? So, to analyze this structure, dahil symmetrical siya, ibig sabihin, itong part na to, say itong left, equal lang yan dito. So, it's either left or right. Yan. Any of them, pwede nating i-analyze. So, analyze natin isang side lang. Bakit i-analyze ng isang side lang? Ulit, dahil equal lang yan. Si FAB, equals lang yan dito sa force DE. Si CB, equal yan sa FE. Okay? So, assume natin FAB, ito si FCB, ito si B. Assume ko compression. Okay, ibig sabihin, sa free body diagram, yung arrows ko towards the joint. Yan, joint B, para masabing compression. Kung kayo gusto nyo ng tension or magkaiba, tension, compression, kayo bahala. Basta, at the end of our solution, kapag negative result, ibig sabihin, mali itong assumption. Alright? Then, ano pa? Meron tayong W over 2. W over 2. Yung W natin, 30 over 2. So, 15 kilonewton. Anong nangyari? Bakit kalahati? Kasi nga, in-analyze natin is itong left side lang. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ayan, di ba, support at B daw at support at E. Parang ating beam ulit. Yan, say meron akong force P acting dito sa mid-span. Anong mangyayari sa support? Madi-distribute equally di ba? Summation forces. So, ito ay maging P over 2. Ito ay P over 2. So, analyze natin ulit. Left. So, si W na-distribute dito kay B. So, 15. Tapos dito, 15 ulit. Okay? Then, we have P over 2. Ano naman yung P over 2? Wala namang given P dyan. Okay? So, yung P na yan, since ang kailangan natin is in terms of kilonewton. So, kailangan natin ng point load. Yan, single load. Hindi distributed. So, yung P is the wind load na ang unit is kilonewton. Okay? So, ano ba yung ginagawa natin? Yung distributed load. Ano ba ginagawa natin to convert into concentrated load? Okay, kung meron na akong distributed load, yan, drawing ko lang ulit, distributed load. Meron akong distributed load na 10 Newton per meter. Ano ginagawa natin to convert into concentrated load? Kailangan ma-cancel out itong nasa denominator na meter. So, multiply natin by meter din, yung length. Okay? So, dito naman, since area to, para maging kilonewton lang, multiply natin ng area. Okay, so yun yung gagawin natin. So we have P is equal to Q 1.7 kilo Pascal Newton over meter squared. To cancel out this, kailangan natin kasi ito. So we have 4 meters by 3 meters, the area. Then sa design, okay, design standard, we have the factor. Yan, for safety, ito 1.0 times 1.0. So may makikita kayong kung di nyo naisip na ang goal nyo is gawin tong kilonewton at kailangan i-multiply ng area. So meron tayong formula P. Yan, na ma-encounter nyo ulit to sa steel design. Yan, steel design course nyo. So we have Q times the area times the coefficient. Okay, so ito yan. The Q, the area, and the coefficient. Alright, so P is equal to 20.4 kilonewton. P over 2 yung kailangan natin, which is 10.2 kilonewton. Bakit P over 2? Same analysis dito. Okay, parang ito, yung force P natin, ayan, di ba, distributed. Yung Q, naging resultant force, single na lang. Ito yung force P. So, same, didistribute natin equally dito kay B saka kay E. So, kaya nangyari, analyze lang ulit natin itong isang side lang, kaya naging kalahati. Okay, so 10.2 kilonewton. Alright. Ayan. So, solve na natin. Paano natin sinusolve itong mga actual forces natin, internal forces, by equation of equilibrium. So, dalawa lang naman yan. Method of joint. Yan, we have joint B. So, by equation of equilibrium, dalawa. Summation force horizontal and vertical. So, try natin horizontal muna. Equilibrium, assuming lahat ng going right ko ay positive. Okay? So, ang nangyari, going right to. FAB. So, inclined force, the resultant, kailangan natin ng horizontal component. So, cosine 30 degrees. Then, ito, going right din. FCB. X component, cosine 30 degrees. Meron pa bang horizontal? Ito, going left. Negative 10.2 kilonewton. Meron pa ba? Wala. To maintain in equilibrium, equal 0. Wala tayong na-solve dito. So, gawin natin siyang equation 1. Okay? So, kung wala kayo na-solve sa horizontal, punta kayo kay Y. So, baka may ma-solve dito. Kung wala pa rin, solve natin simultaneously. Ayan. So, FAB going down. FAB convert sa Y component. So, sine naman, same angle, 30 degrees. Ito, going up. So, FCB, sine 30 degrees. Tapos, going down, minus 15 kilonewton equal 0. Wala pa rin ma-solve. Yan, gawin natin equation 2. Okay, wala na tayong ibang solution. Okay, ito yung equilibrium na gamit natin. So, algebra na. We have two equations, two unknown, solvable, determinate siya. So, kapag sinolve niyo yan simultaneously, hopefully, kaya nyo siyang isolve sa calculator or by elimination or substitution. Okay? So, dapat ganyan yung sagot nyo. FAB is equal to negative 9.11. Okay? 9.11 kilonewton. Negative result, ibig sabihin, mali yung assumption. Okay? So, explain ko mamaya in actual kung bakit kaya ang nangyari is equal to 9.11 kilonewton tension. Okay? So, ang tamang direction pala pag ganyan. Okay? Pag ganun. Okay? So, si AB, pag ganito yung direction. Then, ano yung kailangan natin? So, si F AB is equal to RA. Yan. Ang kailangan natin is RAH, which is equal to RA 9.11 cosine 30 degrees. Yan. So, RAH or RAX is equal to 7.88 kilonewton. Okay? Tension. So, ito yung sagot sa number 1. Then, sa calculator, si FCB. Saan yun ito? FCB. Hopefully, ganito yung lumalabas sa calculator nyo. Sa solution nyo. 20.89 kilonewton. Positive result, tama na assumption na compression. Okay? So, ang nangyari ulit, ito, pag ganon, tension, ito compression. Yan, anong nangyari? Statics, analysis of statics. So, meron tayong pampabigat, tinutulak, tapos naka-mounted. Ayan, ginagawa ng support is to support the structure, to maintain an equilibrium, at hindi gumuho. So, dahil may pampabigat dyan, anong nangyari? Naka-mounted yan. So, ginagawa, may pampabigat para hindi siya bumagsak. Okay, hindi yan bumagsak pag ganyan, yung billboard natin. So, itong support AB na to, ayan, hinihila niya. Okay, so hinihila niya. At the same time, dahil may tumutulak, yan, may pababa. Ito, tinutulak niya naman pataas. Pataas pa kanan. Ito, hinihila niya pataas pa kaliwa. Para hindi bumagsak yung structure. So, tama yung ating signs. Okay? Number 2, how much is the normal stress MPa in terms of MPa ng Strat BC with 6 mm by 76. So, ibig sabihin, rectangular yung cross-section niya. So, ang tinatanong, the axial stress or the normal stress at BC in terms of megapascal. So, stress, direct substitution sa formula. Stress BC is equal to force BC over area ng BC. So, force BC, na-compute natin kanina. BC, ayun, 20.89 kilonewton. 20.89 kilonewton over the area 6 mm by 7 mm. Okay, so Newton over mm squared, yan, megapascal. So, stress BC is equal to 45.81 megapascal. Nakaka-experience si Strat BC ng compressive stress. Next, number 3, if the Strat AB, yung Strat AB naman daw, palitan natin ng 16mm diameter steel cable. So, nangyari, naging circular na. Ang tanong, same, normal stress in MPa. So, stress AB. Direct substitution lang din sa formula. Stress AB is equal to force AB over the area ng AB. So, force AB natin, ayun, force AB, which is yung RA. Okay, 9.11. Hindi ito So, baka malito kayo. So, I think this is a board exam. Ayan, board exam problem. Paano pag nasa choices? Ito yung nagamit nyo, tapos lumabas. So, mali na kayo. Okay, so take note, ang ginagamit natin is the resultant. Okay, so dahil normal, ito equal yan sa force AB. Si force AB is a resultant. So, therefore, ang gagamitin natin is RA. Okay, so equal yun ulit sa force AB. So, RA natin is 9.11 kilonewton. So, 9.11 kilo. Ayan, si kilo yan, si 1,000 newton. Over, the circle na siya. Sabi dito, diameter. So, ibig sabihin, circle. pi over 4 d squared. Yan. So, stress AB is equal to 45.31 megapascal. Nakaka-experience siya ng tensile stress. Alright?